Hey there YouTube, just wanted to do a quick review about the Flip Guard Deadbolt security. So this device right here, very easy to install. I saw this on another YouTube video, thought I would investigate it, so it is available on Amazon. I paid about $20 Canadian. Great build, very sturdy, very easy to install. All you do is loosen the screws here, pull this outward a bit, slide it in the back. You can slide it in any position, so 360 degrees, depending on how your deadbolt locks into position. One thing to keep in mind is this is when you want to, lock your door and there's somebody inside, right? So when you're inside your house, you want to protect your family members, you can actually lock the deadbolt and then put this into place. And this way you prevent any type of lock bumping or lock picking from the outside to avoid any home invaders and so on. So the manufacturer recommends you basically install the hinge at the bottom, right, instead of the top. I'm guessing the reason being is if the hinge were to be at the top, right, so this would actually flip upwards, and there's nobody at home, you leave your house, you close the door, and let's say this flips down by accident somehow, well then you can't really open your door to get in, right, because plus there's nobody at home to open it. So all in all, I think it's well worth it for 20 bucks from Amazon. Added security, very well built, and so if you want to get that extra security for your home, I definitely recommend the Flip Guard Deadbolt security protection. So thank you all for watching and have a great day.